Hi girls, happy Friday. Today is May 22nd, 2020. We're on Module 7, Lesson 12 for our math lesson today, and our learning target is, I'll go this way. I can measure side lengths in whole number units to determine the perimeter of polygons. Okay, so the perimeter of polygons. Let's review what perimeter means. We talked about it slightly when we were looking at area, and I know Miss Simon talked about it yesterday with you. So let's just have a quick review up here. Perimeter is the boundary of the shape. So it's the outside of the shape. Okay, so as my finger goes along here, it's going along 7 units, it's going down 2 units, along 7 units, up 2 units. That's the perimeter, okay? Not the space inside. The space inside, as you remember, is the area. To find the area, you do length times width, but we're not finding the inside, okay? We're putting that to the back of our brain and we're bringing perimeter to the front. The perimeter is the outside, okay? So I also like to think about it. I put rim here in a different color because the rim is the outside of something. You're around the rim of the glass is where you would put your mouth, and it's around the very top. That's not inside the glass, and that's how I like to think about perimeter. It's on the rim. Okay, so it's the rim of the shape. And again, here perimeter, you do 7 to get the perimeter. You would do 7, add 7, add 2, add 2. Okay, 7, 7, 2, 2. And what is really important to notice about perimeter is you add all the numbers together. There's no multiplication for perimeter. Multiplication is only for area. Perimeter, to get the rim, to get the boundary of the shape, it's adding. Okay, so for our lesson for today, I have two friends who have they both have a backyard, and I apologize that my board is extremely dirty. When I put tape on it the other day, it got stuck. So I have two friends, A and B. This is the backyard for A, and this is the backyard for B, okay? In the middle is the grass. They would like to get a fence to put around the grass area, okay? And they're asking for our help. We need to know how long, how many units worth of fence they need. So my friend A needs a fence that can go 9 units along, 3 units down, 9 units along, 3 units up, okay? Because it needs to cover the grass, okay? It needs to go around the grass area. We're going around the boundary of the shape, which is the grass area, and we're going around the rim of the grass, okay? So if she has this amount of grass here, we're going all the way around. So to find the area, sorry, now I'm getting them mixed up. To find the perimeter, I would like you to follow along with me here. So to get the perimeter, okay, perimeter, we're going around the rim. We want to add all these numbers up. Now, what I like to do is I like to add up doubles. So the first thing I'm going to write out is 9 add 9 because they're the same. Okay, they're doubles. 9 add 9, add 3, add 3. Now, again, we're always adding these numbers together and we need to add up all sides. Okay, we're going around the whole rim of the grass here. Okay, 9 add 9 is 18. 3 add 3 is 6. Okay, 18 add 6. Go ahead, do it. 18 add 6. 24. So the perimeter of backyard A is 24 units. Okay, and that is all you need for perimeter. Okay, I would tell my friend, if my A friend, you need 24 units worth of fence to go all the way around the grass area. Okay, now what I would like you to do is look over at backyard B. 3 units, 3 units, 4 units, 6 units, 4 units. What I would like you to do is I'd like you to pause the video and calculate the perimeter of B. Okay, once you are done with getting the perimeter, play the video again and you will see me going over it. Okay, the perimeter of B is again the rim, which is on the outside. Okay, and we want to do, again, it's easier to add up our doubles. 3 add 3, we need to make sure we're getting them all. 4 add 4. add 6. Okay, 3 add 3 is 6. Add 4, which is 8. Add 6. Okay? 8. Okay? 6 add 8 is 14. Add 6. Okay, and 14 add 6 is 20, so that is 20 units. Okay, so we can see that backyard B needs 20 units worth of fence to go all the way around the grass area in the backyard. Okay, so if we're comparing, backyard A needs a longer fence because it needs 24 units worth of fence compared to backyard B, which only needs 20 units of fence to go around the outside, around the rim, around the boundary of the grass area. Okay, and I know we've just talked a lot about shapes, so let's have a look quickly at our shapes here. We have a rectangle here because this side and this side is equal. They're equal in length. This side and this side is equal, so that means it's a rectangle. I also put in here we have our 4 right angles and we have our parallel lines. Okay, so because we have 4 sides and 4 angles, that makes it a quadrilateral. With our 2 sets of parallel lines, this also makes it a parallelogram. So we can call the shape a rectangle, a parallelogram, and a quadrilateral. Okay. Over here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 angles. So that makes it a pentagon. So backyard A we can call a rectangle, quadrilateral, or parallelogram. Backyard B we can call that a polygon. Okay. Remember, rim goes around the outside, all the way around the outside here. If my finger is to go all the way around, that would be 20 units when I add them all together. Backyard A, if I go all the way around the outside, I go 24 units for this backyard here when I add them all together. Okay, I expect you all to go on and complete your Zern lesson now. I know you can do it, and then have a wonderful weekend.